Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. This is the third question of the paper. So they have given you an equation of the curve. They have asked to find the exact gradient of the curve where y equals to 4. So now when my y is 4, I need to calculate my x. So in this equation, I can simply put y as 4 and 3 plus 2 ln x over 1 plus ln x. So now I can write this as 4 into 1 plus ln x equals to 3 plus 2 ln x. So I can write this as 4 plus 4 ln x is equal to 3 plus 2 ln x. So now I can simply do 4 ln x minus 2 ln x to get 2 ln x, okay, which is equal to 3 minus 4, which is minus 1. So I get this as ln x equals to minus 1 over 2. Now an important log property you need to know here is that log of b with the base a equals to c can be written as b equals to a raised to c. Okay, so using this log property I can write this as x equals to e raised to minus half. Okay, now we have a x, but now I need the gradient, which basically means dy by dx. So I need to differentiate this function, for which I'll use something called as the quotient rule, as an entity is divided by another entity. So I can take my u basically as the numerator, which is 3 plus 2 ln x, and I can take my denominator as v, which is 1 plus ln x. Okay, sorry, yeah. So now what I can simply do is I can keep u dash, okay. So my u dash, I know the differentiation for 3 is 0 and the differentiation for 2 ln x is 2 over x, correct? In the same way, v dash, okay, the differentiation of 1 is 0 and the differentiation of ln x is 1 over x. Now the formula which I use is simply vu dash minus uv dash over v square. So vu dash, okay, is simply 3 plus 2 ln x, okay. Sorry, this is vu dash, sorry, I did the other way around. So vu dash is simply 1 plus ln x over x and a 2 here, correct? vu dash minus uv dash. uv dash is simply 3 plus 2 ln x, okay, over x. And I know this full thing here, okay, is divided by simply v square, which is 1 plus ln x, the whole square. Now what you simply need to do is, on your calci, okay, remove your calci, and in the place of x, just put e raised to minus half and write exactly this equation. Okay, so this will take, a little bit of time, but you'll get the right answer and you'll get the exact answer. Getting the exact value actually is important. So for that, what you can do is, for the exact value, go step by step. First, let's solve the numerator. So that's simply 2 into 1 plus ln x. So ln e raised to minus half, correct? You can solve this much first on the calci. So you get your answer basically as 1. So I get this as 1 over, I know x is e raised to minus 1 by 2. Agreed? Minus, now I can solve for 3 plus 2 into ln e raised to minus 1 by 2. So that will give me 2 over e raised to minus half divided by, now I can do 1 plus ln e raised to minus half, okay, which, and the whole square of that will give me simply 1 by 4. So now I can write this as 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 e raised to minus half into 4. So I can basically write this as minus 4, okay, with e raised to half, because when I take e raised to minus half in the numerator, I can write this as minus 4 e raised to half, which is the final answer of the question.